In this tutorial we will talk about tar command. Tar command is used for create, modify and extract files to and from archives. First we will navigate to location of files or folders that we want to add to archive using cd command. Now we will type tar command following the flags C, V and F. C creates new archive, V print us which files are gonna be in the archive, and F give the file a new name. As you can see, I call the archive Neddy, and the files that gonna be in the archive are the F folder. So now press enter and it will show you which files are gonna be included in the archive. So now let's check out our archive. For this scenario it will containing two text files. Now, if you want to extract any archive file, you can use the command tar following the flags X, V and F. X means extract. Next, write the name of the archive that you want to extract and press enter. And now it will give you the file that extracted from your archive. So now we're done. You can ask us anything you want in comments. Thank you for watching.